Yo, what's good, everyone? I am back with another reaction. Welcome back. So this music video right here is, I'm pretty sure it's directed by Vichai, but he's a dope videographer, but this is probably one of the first songs I'll listen from him because I've never listened to his music yet. So shout out to Vichai. I'm excited to hear this song. I saw this song was released like a week ago, but I never got to watch it because I was saving it for a reaction. Shout out my boy Max. Shout out my boy Cheng. Yeah, let's get it. Make sure my volume is up. Yeah, now. Shout out Far East. That's too loud now.
Hey, what's up, bro?
LV, where you at? Go pick from Thao.
Alright, yup, I'll see you there, man.
I'll see you in a bit. Alright.
Good mics. Hey. Bà tường Max. I like it. Great video, man. Off rip, the video already. Great captures, great videos. They're capturing everything very well. Hey, I know that place. Hey. Okay.
Tonight I want to take a chance with you. I wanna dance with you. I walk through. Come on, oh baby, and just vibe with me. Don't go hello, see. Girl, won't you please? Everybody in the club right now.
Yeah.
Everybody in the club right now.
Tell the DJ to turn it loud. Hey. I like it. Oh, that's a nice angle right there. I like that angle. What do you go back to? All right. That's nice. That's a good angle right there. That's Vichai pulling up. Hey. I see you, bro. You had to do that pimp entrance where somebody opens that door for you. Like, hold on, let me get in real quick. I like it. I love the Mongolish that they're doing in this song too. It's really nice.
Everybody in the club right now.
What song is that from? Everybody in the club right now. Tell the DJ to turn it loud. Yeah, single ladies, your favorite song. You can't go on. Everybody in the club right now. Tell the DJ to turn it loud. What song is that? Oh, it's I love her cause she got her own. She don't need mine, she still leave mine alone. I think it's She Got Her Own by Neo. Right? Or am I wrong? I don't know.
Everybody in the club right now.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Great direction. Or direction. I can't English right now.
So just come and be with me.
Nice. I like that camera switch. Chang got me doing this right here.
So baby, let's go.
Nice.
You won't regret the things I have to show. Don't go.
You gotta have some b-boys in there. This type of music is like when my brothers and them were still young and everybody was breakdancing.
You want to go get me. So just come and be with me.
Wow, I think the directing of this video was A1, man. It showed great emotion in this music video. It just showed like a really good time. You know, I had a good time just watching it, so that's nice. Nice. Awesome. That was dope. Shout out to you guys, man. This was definitely a good song. Whoever directed this, I'm pretty sure it was you, Vichai. I loved it. I think this was amazing. Shout out to Chang, Max, Vichai. You guys did amazing. I like this song, man. Much love. But if you like that, remember to subscribe. Remember to like, share, comment, and all of that good stuff for more reaction videos. Leave some suggestions down below. Much love to you guys. I'll catch up with y'all soon. Peace.